Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Sma. And today I am very super excited because we are going to do a sneak preview and unboxing of the new FabFitFun Spring box. So there's lots of good stuff in here, and a few of these things might go into a future giveaway. So just keep your eye open for those. But before we get into it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel to grow. And leave me a comment. I always love hearing from you and what you think about the contents, and if you're interested in becoming a FabFitFun partner. So let's get into this. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. The FabFitFun subscription boxes are quarterly boxes, so you get them around the seasons, which we know are winter, spring, summer, and fall. So, and we are unboxing the spring box. Now, this is a sneak preview of some of the things that you can get. This is fully customizable, so you get 6 full-size products of your choice every quarter, and it's just such a wonderful bargain. Mine is $49.99 for a quarter, but there is so much stuff in here, and this box retails for $199, so it's definitely a good bang for your buck. So let's get into all the stuff. Genie Fits olive oil dipping set, $50. Now this is a set of 4, and it is these cute ceramic little dipping things. Aren't those so cool? And it seems to be enough in there that if you wanted to use it for like salsa or ranch dressing or cheese or something like that you want to set out, I think this is totally very versatile. So this one was $50, which I was surprised at how expensive these are, but they're very high quality. They even have her name printed on the back of it. So, and I love the little designs of the olive oil plant. So I think that's really, really, really cool. Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, $30. I'm so excited about this. Look at those shades. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? Look at those shades. Aren't those absolutely gorgeous? I'm just so excited to be able to try this out. And they're powder, but they're very pigmented, which I'm really surprised. So I'm excited. London Town Queen of Hearts manicure set, $27. And I'm not going to open this up because this is going to go in a future giveaway. So stay tuned for that. So this London Town Galentine's Day manicure set features candy floss and electric flamingo lacquer. So those are nail polish. One's clear and one's like a pinkish burgundy color. It's got dot and detail nail art tool. That sounds like fun. And a glass nail file. So it's everything that you need just in one box. Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer Stick, $24. Look at this cute little thing. You could probably put this in your purse. Very neat. And I love the color on it. Here's the color. Isn't that just gorgeous? It's so beautiful. I might be able to use this maybe on my eyes as a cream eyeshadow. That's a good idea. Anyway, very cool. I'm so excited to try this. Crystal Haze Silver Plated Hoops, $50. I mean, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how the beautiful stones shine. This was $50. It's pretty cool. And it's silver plated. Oh my gosh. So that's definitely a good bang for my buck. I'm so excited about this. Very excited. Desi Travel Bag, $42. I'm so excited about this. Look at this. This is so cool. Look how huge this is. Oh my goodness, this is huge. And it's got wonderful compartments for your makeup And I've got like a travel mirror I have in here. Nice pockets here that you can put brushes and things in like through there. They've got side pockets here. Check out these side pockets. Look at that. Isn't that neat? You can put whatever you want in there, and they've got nice little spots here that you can put things through, or a nice little mesh part that you can put stuff through that you're not going to lose it. I can use this for probably makeup. And this little bag here is detachable. Look how cool is that? I love this. They thought of everything. And this is so well timed because the end of March, we are going to go on another cruise. Oh, I'm so excited about that. If you've never been on a cruise, what are you waiting for? I mean, don't wait for it. It's really a very economical way to have a vacation. I mean, you pay for the cruise, and that all includes your entertainment. You know, if you want to go to the shows, there's pools, there's also other things and activities on. They've got a rock climbing wall, an ice skating rink. What? I mean, total stuff. And all your meals are paid for. They're all paid for. So how cool is that? For probably around $1,500, you get all of that. So cool. So cool. Anyway, be aware, I'm going to have an upcoming cruise ideas and helpful hints for you if you are deciding to cruise. I've learned from my mistakes and learned from other people actually on YouTube. I've been searching for top 10 things to don't forget on a cruise and what to do on a cruise. So it's really good information. So stay tuned for that. Okay, the total retail on that was $199. And again, this is fully customizable. You can customize all of the 6 products in here you can customize, which is so nice and convenient. I like surprises, but I don't like surprises that I don't like, that wouldn't be good for me, that don't fit me. So that's why I just love the FabFitFun subscription boxes. They are just so nice, and I pick what I want. What I'm interested in. And I also pick things that I know that you would like on the giveaways every month. So you know when they are. They're Battle of the Boxes. And I do giveaways on every one of my Battle of the Boxes. It's so much fun. So anyway, tell me what you thought, what you liked, what you didn't like, and ideas for future videos. I would love to do videos that you are interested in. So please let me know, because sky's the limit. How wonderful. So anyway, I want you to know that I love you so much. I care about you. I care every one of my 4,000 subscribers, and I'm hoping for tons and tons more to be in the community and the LYBL family. So, and I hope you are living your best life. So I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.